How to make following list private on TikTok. To get started, first of all, open the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. Here, you can explore and view TikTok Reels. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the profile icon. Here, you can edit and view your profile information. From this page, you need to tap on the three bars at the top right corner. After that, select the Settings and Privacy option. Once you are on this page, go to Privacy. Then scroll down to the Following List option and set the audience to Only You. Close this tab. Now the other users can only see the mutual friends. They won't have access to your following list. So by following these simple steps, you can easily make following list private on TikTok.